Omi so nyina ho ne yemo mpai. Enyankopon ya da wase enne. Una muntumi so tete yen. O pesa wadoye ene umuburu hunu no eso yeso bi. Ento pesa ye mo bi ebayira. Bia o tie sa sem we no. Wo wura no pesa obeye yiraba. Pesa nyina di adanse sa tem obi di ani mu eba. Ti kware be fa so ye be dwane ade ye kra nkwan. Ade ye hwehwe sabri. Ebi ayi o mani sa so mo mfa do. Ebi so ani abre e bo wura wa hini yenu. Na de me sram na tari ni sa. Enka de na nimre ye da nimre wo Yesu Kristo temu. Ye bon saba so safa di pa de hu bi twam. Wa toye enye kase e mo kra bi a wo tie so. Ye da wa so so tie me e wo Yesu temu nti. Amen. O me trust. Me bu sam tie bi ono nkono ntemu ba ko. Proverbs chapter 29 verse 1. Me pesa ni panyina te sasem we asi sa obi ntuna yemu na anaso ntuna wi ase ha na koma no enko ya koma bi a eya tuate ene ahankan akoma me busamatia duonu nkono o trawa bi play share Senipa owiase na koma sene ya onyame bom hwe ho mpofrem ya onya no atu se onipa wo sene wa koma nyame asem ntimi mpusu ye tufu a wonfa ade na wo ye ne nyame mpe enso se te eno na abaye wo ko pasa wo ko jira wo se nyankopon tamfo na Bible says sa onipa no onyankopon ebe bu na hwe ho empofrem na doctor bia ntini nsam yade ye de nbe ti wiase hospitals doctor bia a wo de ne ko pe obepodo ntimi te beba be jana sifie obewu anim kanipa wo sene ne kon o de ti ni kuna tem onyaye a wo so onyaye oboro ne yere onyaye a Osi wonyaye nyame sambe ba ne nke yatumufo se na koma na den baba se sandi paro wa be ewu obebu na hwe ho nkofrem onya no adu asofo bobodo so mpae yade no nko amane be to no obenante wiase difo nyina aso ne ho nto no bi se nyankopon asama kanenim enso still na so onte Nebu samutia bi ono nkron titemu baako o se anim kanipa o se ne kon wo be bunu mpofrem prekope ona ma wase ne ho den o drive no wo koba no wo nante no wo koba no wo winsa no wo fama no wo ware sa de ope no wo jai sa de ope wo ware no jawo no ware no jawo wode obawo wajawo si ho akola o muni mame muni papa na tie tia na ka je de open ho ye afuti obi a be ba ma no de open ho ye no asorim ma so from preach from Genesis cause Revelation still de oya no ye de opa no ye ni suba no ni binse sana bosum no te kronum no te ni seyibum no te waji obi kun oso yae waji obi yire oso nyaye wa wore jai ko fo ba foforo o se entia nyame asem wo fa ba bo na ko tuna o se ate abre je ni suba na koye sa asayen kana sebe ba bo se mu ya no empofrem o be bona hwe ha anu ne adu ti e peso bia tere ho ase te tufu na wa ntia o kwa ntia te kura o be pie so ni dinu no ti anim kanipa o sene ne koro wo bebu nu mpofrem ya anu ne aduru ti se wodim se wati nyame asem anum atua de yankopo asem se ompe ebe na wo ye preaching se bebrebe yi e koso obi kwa asem de mawa na wo isi wa so afiri ho The Busam said, you see that so free. Nim dear fine so. A head of what's up moon or better. And some on four. What Timus a woman sorry muno. Obia di wa heaven. A convince of a 2-2 for Timby. You say you go for him, I have for him. One can say, one sorry moon, sir. Merciful, prepare for, Canofika, Trentadia, a German tongue, and it's also been fooling name was sorry room. Sorry, fool people stand also better. Because what put him there? Until someone force up him and have a turn. Now the Yamia Munti, a Radim walk, said a bear son, someone phone sorry, and no pen sorry, and sorry, and that's what Nimu Yamia Nimu, Unko Semubi, just so amen. To say in Kanipa, Wabodi Pakurodi, maybe what in Fubidi or Hatcho. I will say Yame, send us some of what can offend Yago. Into Uti Yamia, some are careful. You're very careful. Did you remember Bruna Abba? If you are a moi, as soon as I breach you, I don't because of technology. The Busam say, and you went to so the Yansafo. Slow, let them feel bonnet. And you want technology, Nimdiaba. Now, look at Romans chapter 1, verse 23. However, was it almost a bra, a fan, and Nibiaba? Was it Sabra no more dear body? For no more than question. Because you see a near me, Zoom to Moon a cost. You see a Nibiaba, or by whatever. Now, in Krama Kingdom, you do your Kramaba, what a Kramaba. It is a Krama from Ponya. You see any Biaba. Look at it. All these things are happening in life. And if you don't know, the enemy can be powerful in the corner. Also, be boom for frame. I know any other. The entire Yare, the brain penny permission. Would you be doctors? You know, so hell. Yare no was sitting in a con one time. Now me bonfire many baby. Mammy be. Ah, my bonfire several times. My country moda. Now Yare no go. And I'm too big of a sound one. Debbie, that's if I was echo. Midnight, Miss Taki said me papa and Uncle catch them said, don't pray for that lady. A bonfire man. I am a punishment with the children answer. Adam is coming to one of die. Because I haven't come in consume one by the boy. I am a suche. You call the corner silly. Now go Proverbs chapter 1, verse 22 down. Was the same friend and I'm coming. Now pull me cassa. We can't name some back wapo. Put our reason. Giant or back, giant better. Never kum was a wood tree. Bible William, you know me and some nine. Why were you back on the first wife now? One or no year, second one, third wife, fourth one. Jaw because Bible say, or Bible began Genesis chapter 2, verse 18 to 25. Or Bible began a Jeho. And then now, Lord in the work of Bata and the wine. Eh, come into the wine. Or can a year no? Or began a jack, then now, Lord in the work of Bata and the year. Now, almost saying, what me a room? I have one number call. One castle mommy and son, and as a woman 9, I have one number call. That is the foundation of marriage. Bema be here too. Okay, I am Solomon, what I say, and I'm with Abraham, so what I say, and David is a grass, so what I say, and then I made him by the mom. Fine, until will be mistake over to us. David, you want a mad or a really saying? Because I'm 51. No me a battle so I know about Pio. Abraham Kofa na Bawan, a real the same. And then anyway, as a name, Ismail as a four. What as a master? And you will be mistake. Solomon so called warrior and a former, or warrior mother baby, Yanko was among come. Yanko to Solomon or money or Nakola in the Kuno. And you will be mistake. Obiaye. Yeah, and then Yanko Pon as 1 year. And you also return to copy. Some conformity seems for my minimum, you are foolish. You copy blindly. At the point of Obia, you need to copy. Now, I have a Papa. Quiet, Pasua. ye bo adwaman wo Bible kwaye ko so ikum nipa pra wunya obi onim Bible a obetuma read Bible no ba bi me pesa meka obeka mo da obewu Bible we kuta yesa enti Bible no niema ye do so ba we pick the right things the nyame asamaka so they was say you told me okaya za come de wa usika wunya fatoto de okra akodo yere fatoto de okra akodo edi na ko senka fa mtre wani o senka fo Ecclesiastes mtre wani ti e was Bible enyansa fo the use Bible what I say enyansa for the wise people in the use Bible do senka fo tudu ba because e kasa wa bebuom nti wa hwenye na wunimu nyansa ube use Bible and so be use the wrong side of it o ko tu Bible is no ye bone tie o saka futi du ba ko echichemu a eye enkron o se abrante to siso ye nkawasem o ya ba ya wasiso ye nkawasem o ya papa o sika bro sa ya japade cars and you think say you are popular or dread ye nkawasem fine so no mo kan sem bi atro ha o se mo wani nye wo mo frase di wani sa de ope insa bo jaman nyi sa yibu chimpra ya de ope o se ni akoma pa o mra ntibrem fine o se na kola koma e kwan so ene de wani hunu enti se wani hunu ba so na ko do se ko fa no a kokofa enye nyansa na wakatro nyansa sema fine nti obetima ko tu ha atire obi se according to Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 9 to 10 was me namte de mani arai ehunu ti mani hunu apetese say ani sha white kroje bim fabin no that message so obetima ko tu no aye bone but o kanya nsase mbi kire o namte de wani hunu kese wani hunu wo be la ko fa no wani hunu wo be kuna ko fa so be sikata ho am roba na so do opa go and take it na nti wadi hunu wo se na so hunu say ye enum nyina nti o fa da kan so ye enum nyina nti ana why so do beko Ghana president ana America de ka hunu se so obi anchewa onyame ani hunu ade wo ya abai wa anchew ti nyame wo hunu ti kanu said ye wo ye no kokom abontan no wasene wo konse de me pene me ye no ade a me pene me hye ntema me pene me fira sky a me pene me fira no said ye me pene me ye ni padua said ye nipa e de o ma pede ne nam no wo se kai wo se we nyina nti no nyankopon de o be ko herefa chemu e ha ne nyansa no ti wo sa de bi a wo ye no God is going to land you in the land of judgment you do a chemu na sa so fa who the be shiade who say be wa so ni so mo wensa ana woni e bi suma wa ke so bu yin say yitugu asere ne ko say de opa na obe e bi ni mo Kristom en so tro odi wa sere ne ko say nye preach ne be sakra de opa na obe o ma nkyere wa bi ya ka so obi ama ne ho so a mete ke sani pano ono ankasa wo hu ne ho se wo nimunyansa na wa pegya ne ho ya nyankopon asem ko ntimi nname no na wodi from Genesis chapter 1 verse 25 Genesis 1 verse 25 okay kai wa o se nyankopon na body obo nyina na ye ana wo nyintum na body ni nyina na ye good. That was the time when they say to your mind. The Trawa Dibi. The Trawa Diamas had him when you are various. The Paboni Phony Bonsama at the trip. The same time, man, almost shoot is a military. Then a man 25 was what the military dimension of Hefa. Benkum, Lord, the 9 legend of Hefa. Nifa. The Nipa, I say more military. Get the other kind of a fire. We saw only didn't could tell. So from Casakra, let me call my yellow papa and better as on them. A super you are paying yammy, or your bridge. What I say? Or you jaya, Was it midnight? I am in. So if I preach to my flock, they listen to me. This all your so for that sorry. Now sorry, but what can you say? Kaka sakra. What can you know? What you say? And yet you obey you never done it. Obey the and so coffee at the open obey. That is a military no. Chili. Tia go for near Menino. None near Menina. Somebody say time as so. What you say? To Genesis chapter 3. Satan landed as a Wilson. And the man named Muche. Or 5 who was above 4 crowds with 3. Who got Revelation chapter 9. Sanum above 4 no. Woman named Tissa Nipa. And so our cat to say young children. What I order? What were angels? Fallen angels in the Bino. Now, ye fraud, ye wobo dibia, ye the fraud. Mamenko Horaman Chawadi. The Chawadi. Set a free robber. The Revelation chapter 9. That's all you bound so far now. One, yes, a woman. What? I did you all ya because a one out there who's there by ye. And you are what I say. The Revelation chapter 9, the verse 1. Was in over 4 or so a numeral essening. Now, Nihunu and so maybe a free so at class as so that is Satan who could look chapter 10, verse 17 down. Yes, to say Nihunu or some say will free so a ship from Sadia Babi and you know. The Mamoquasa Muntian so. Second, all fallen, all reason. And what is our angels we know about. Now, during the time of great tribulation, I will hear Bremu. Any time one, yes, you make Sanable and some of the Fiase. Revelation chapter 20, verse 1, ever. The Satan or bar, or maybe I see another time more way, every period. The Bible says, woman cat a high, woman neura, some can maybe the opposite of maybe type. She said, grasshoppers, maybe. Sanka or maybe a neura. Bible says, I believe one for my woman. What the Nipan Nam never more said, Diane. Top of a Nipan Naman, that is demons. Now, one more Bodia, pity one body, that is a dry hook. Until whatever the bow, not a bonnet. What then is it more real, said the all number. And the moon so, what the Sabbath and Nipa be your that's why then. Onya. What I said, they are demons. Now, on the baby as we. Then the name that can show the eschatological background of those evil spirits. What I say? What the we are saying, totally power. What we are foreign angels. Say Taeban. What we are going to buy in the bureau. What are you at Revelation chapter 9? Quaya, say times uncle form. Eddie me pay the first was as we issue. The stranger member will say, and yet you are careful. Yes, so amen. You're careful. Somebody catch them, young pastor, and young Sassam. The Satan above one poor chem, you be by. The Bible is Satan shooting you and say, I am before. Now, what did you buy? A master sees you hand the man, a butcher too. A beer, a beer, a beer, a beer. Until you will be puppy of what we are saying. Say, I'm above one to be a baby as I'm able some above one. How should you want to be we are saying? What we are Bonsam and Crossford. What I say, my cancer? 2 John chapter 3, verse 6. It was a term. Was ye moon yanku palma and a Bonsamba, a daddy. Eren a Bonsam Sunyamba. What you may be above one be abba, to obey any penny business. Some Crossford no mice in Mirichian. And just some of them and the home. And do your software preaching 100 million messages on Sakra. What has American answer? But you go from Mandy. O boss, or Bonibi Mumpa. Nana Kuma, I cannot come. Both Wajay Sabonini. Yame Banon. Do you bone some banner? Bet over some mammy back, Papa back, and I won't go on. And so bone some matu. Would you choose I? John chapter 6. Verse 70. John chapter 6, verse 70, 71. Dear the years of catching us for. And yammy the man who do me a ring. There's a move back where they are there. Boy, some. Two boys are woman, both a deep for back who be a pin. Yet you can offer. Sana, sorry, Musso. Boys and Crawford were more. At the deep for be a pin. Yet you preach Yamia Samaoka and Omofa. Obo Bobo Branco. They are demon incarnates. Our money are summer for. Nobody will any pum. Nobody serious. Meaning, I understand what say the Pacoma and any party. But then I say, when you feel uncle for instance, into one person thing. I saw thing. And the years will be any more Jaguar. Matthew chapter 26, verse 28. Was he waiting in Moja Pamoa, Mishagu, Amadi Passing? Bebreo, Pancassi Penina, or Yesuna Casanu himself, and Crophobi who had the Moja. Woman, Mama, and Memojan and Tobo. Woman himself, preaching Mojan free when near Simra, woman Sakara. Yesuna knew him. To Ancaso, she Mojan many penny now. Also, she had many pet the brave Boniface free. Na Bebreno, meaning say Radia Dumuntiwa, Wuti, no cow. Tia careful, so will be said, fire. Christosome and crying, 1 tea house or uncle with a tea. Tinia may make some meal, Mirachi Beginafa, and Guy Beginafa. Matthew 25, and Obetres Army. Jomo Yan Gopordian, Yako Luke chapter 19, verse 8 to 10. Secure. Where Yamedian, and said, "Oh, Yamia Quai, until you will debone. What debone, what tea years soon can say, Ka, or consider debonium. But what Daniba used to one. Yame Maron, Tiesu a tre, Secure said. And let Enquadia Abafia, if he said, almost a waiba, Abraham. What's the point? I say, we Abraham Benti, Nakuma and Rebenyame, or Tina Mia Samuano, no Sacra. But time I war bonfire was John chapter 17. Was a rather woman, I don't know, but in your Kora wob. Omubianira, Jesavine. Aye, Omni Satan Crawford. What you're so for Musunoira, and so about terms are the danger of heart hardening. Or come I dinner, a how a woman. The satanic ones, our money as if for the day. Mammy and Papa, Yanadi, would the upper yes in your Bankua, what an entrance and do a Banku, a chance him. What yes, when finding him bottom, stare, or Bacobun Samjim, or Yaba. Yet you are or Befa. His uncle Fono, a biwa. A biwa. We are sure. The Mamma Tea, we are sure, sir. There is some everybody came to be a book woman. Masturbation, Obia, lesbianism, to be a guy. A clock, a bit how nitro. Tell you, Tiamo came on. Tomorrow, Obia Limpana. But the assembly now, no, me ever see me. A buyer be a young fan production to know. The assembly. To make his awesome. And yet, innocent face. And I'm a head castle, we are Yamedia. What you say? I only am into myself, we are young couple, dear, Wakuma Catchero. Because according to Romans chapter 8, verse 14 down, was it those who are led by the Spirit of God, they are the sons of God. Woman, I know him cow, woman, the young couple mouth. The young woman that cows a coboga mine. Fine. The woman that counts a coboga man who so call him. Some woman now in India. What does my answer? That quotation will be in Tiasi. Was it woman Yaman whom a cow woman in Yankupomba into Yaba Soria? You do see a 30 say a bompire, Ropaka, Sakato, Kabako, Takoto, Kapropa Kasaka, a Hurukusu, says a Yaman or Macano. In classes, same way. What I say? Tonight, ni powers of maybe 30 prayers say Kim na Kosaka. Well, question or heaven. Say Yame o Homakano. Or Yama as for baby who say, what was Yame o Homai? I can and also Yameba. Some Yame o Homokaniba. ebi so kura ho nyame wo homa kame na aka akoma sini so sister ada nyame wo homa kame wo hwe ye nyame ba dam na wo bo dam obi a nyame wo homa kano no ontumi ye bone what you say wo ba nyame wo hom di wo mo nkai no se nyame wo hom di wo nkai a wo betimi na obi aya aka ebi bibia wo ye no spirit na di wo nkai nti the seal the mark and is a wontimi ye bone. The first John 3 verse 1 with the kai kosi verse 10 was obi a onyankopon wo no nyankopon nka no nko bone ho me mo pam firi bone ho de ka se wo ma nyame wo hom ka wo mo no a na ye wo mo a nyankopon hom emma wo mo kwan se wo mo nkwan ye bone. They are the sons of God. Nye koko sakafo. What I say? Ebi tons e bayi. Be careful. And the Judas, but in Yamenase, there's no kutabayi. Onye papa. The mina may do me, there's about queer bonsam. The Senegal others are with their own bonsam water. Papa. And go on, woman, me and your man, mother. What the bonim said, tyranny, or tea and go for some say, pa, what's an akume press or besakra. You will have you shoot was ready, or trials of between who free boneho. Na bonsam man de o tesa wo kanyam sama ase banyin so ben be ma jaya te abre se school campus no wa le suban tan awaye no se bibi ntimi no e honhomfi na de ne yes ade emrechi no no te se kan ba wi ase a ne ma mu che ya bone be frɛ mu no wo mo ne sa bone fo nti they are the sons of Satan. Yesu ta ka kire Pharisee for John chapter 8 say Mose mo Abraham asefo na enso mo pemi ayere yin eko o Abraham asini so benyin say yi atuago o Abraham asini na enso obedi tro niema ma Yesu be wuye no o Abraham asini enso ogusu ye sa na ema no yesa kase Yesu sa wo wi ase a ko percent yen san fada do ansan ko yere yin enkosi Yesu nsam biem o kum Yesu the second time. Demons. The asafubia no sankofo ebitim. Wo mo na wa nhwe yi a wo be hia o mabra bo fi no amwa ye bi. The 2 Timothy 3 verse 5. Wo se wo mo kari wo banim tire nyame so mpa sankofo no mu. Wo se wa wo ye nyame ba ne de. Dane wo ho ye dan fi wo mo. Ti me nya nipa bia na o ye madamfo. Mu se usubanya be mfa nka me ho. Asema wo ho no. Ti ye careful. Hwe hu ewu ye be bo point sisi ana onya kwa yako. The danger the Judas Iscariot. Matthew chapter 27 verse 5. Yesu kokobo bebrebe nyina no mumu ba ko be yimi ama mumu ba ko ba be yimi ama mumu ba ko ba be yimi ama mumu ba ko ba be yimi ama preachings upon preachings. Judas was fire. Yesu preach one thing. Na de obe yimi ama no wonue osadi onue soso wanti onue no ote wo firi ho apɛ oni communion ne nsam na communion oni Yesu na didi be tra obo nsam ma na wo hu o ma otwe ho afiri obo oni Yesu na didi wo yi ne nsafra biane ni mu apɛ na ko join ne atamfo ɛno be fa Yesu kukun no na he Judas so otena wi ase pa ne kun no onu ana excuse me oko say the ho akomfo yere wi na Peter no kire mo Acts chapter 1 verse 18 Acts chapter 1 verse 18 down try to na akwa wakinkan ko na Peter kire m because wo no mo ho o mu huni now enim kanipa was still in the preachings upon preachings nyamesam ka ya ka still oda so mulikum watinga msemo watie onde de ohia ne se otie enso onye ne yefo obetie 100 times enso one fa ya adwuma. They are the sons of demons. Omunya nyame dia sati otie one preaching oja no homa awurade ema nkofo ne ma abedi ne ho nyina wa go ma dia ma wo mo. That is now Jesus si we ka Abraham ma no onu si Abraham ba what I say to be o wa sorry. And so what one thing na wiase no asere na koma se nyamesem mfa won de obeka de me ya de me ye no oh munhunu ba bi ofri oya bon sama sefo no bia kwati ase ti san kofo no e bo mo so mpa e bobo nyamesem no kokoko no mo mfa yesu se mo kɔ efie dum ne se o ma mfa ja wo mo pronounce mfuturo bu ho ne nua danse ntia ka ma me na papa de se nyame nipa bi kan nyamesem kyerɛ no na wa anya dan wa mfa ne ko ba bi fufuro na daate be fa nyam Sodom ni Gomora asene sai bi pa na oti nyamesem wa mfa anya aduma Acts chapter 1 verse 18 and 19 Peter say saa no Judas wei ana odi sika entini ko nya asase na bra wo yi Yesu maaya no ne nkonkon o se ne ho akonfo no ne nkonkon be wo Peter na ekere wo mfonyini se de si yewo e be si fo ma ni mu pai e ma ni mu niema nyina ayeran etue yi e ma enkofo wo Jerusalem nyina ete anim ka nipa Yesu aka ama wo Judas wo say busa se eye me ana ama Yesu age so say waka eye wa still na de obe ya no be enti okowu ye Yesu ne kunu mboa tabro da bonsam jin na nim guafia toro no ni funu be ku ho ma ne yem ne nsu da ha na koma da ne yem tue the danger of heart hardening akoma ye den na de nyame asam ya kan so mfa Judas said o si ye no obi ana koma ne mu niema nyina tu agu abonten doctor bi betima in operation amana sa bankwam no ti no se onim enim kanipa o sene ne kon no obum pofre mu anonya dan ni adu the same one is a bit more bushim yes aba bono ho ka hospital bia bu abrotimam e wa Ghana hwan e so still yare na nyaran asene ne kon ti de Awurade de ato so no pofre mu anoni adu te ka bu sa bo the grind team the team make take up by bi tani pe prekope Judas na wi yero opu nyame asem hwe Herod so Acts chapter 12 verse 1 to 3 and verse 19 to 21 echo tiri sa Herod we Bible say sa bre numu no amo ye asafo no de yin ayaka de oye ohene o mu nyame asafo ti hawa asafo no be famu mfa no ho wo kum nyame nkofo wo hunu sa pa e na oto asoko fa James o Trinity kum still ade Peter no gusu preachi Paul no gusu preachi asomafo no gusu kanyamsam o mo sa gusu ye still ka go bia na bi ne sa omfa ade oto asoko kire Peter o sa ogusu a wo di ne bone fine o ko Peter so to afia se Peter nya kwa free ya no ana verse 19 ho Acts 12:19 ehwana asojafo no a Herod no yi wo mo se wo mo nyai Peter no ya Peter etimi fa wo mo pie ye nyankopɔ bɔfo nsɛm no ya sa soldiers ne enhum Peter ko fa so pie Herod sa ko tiri soldiers ne se wo kum wo mo enam se wo mo na ma Peter kwai ma na yere edwane e ma Herod se kum wo nyina ka ho lika se nipa koma wo di bone na manfo so okum James wiye no na Bible say ohunu say eso amanfo ani nti on say sina manfo bebra sina makoma no still ebi so boa wo mo ha di pada pin na koma say aware no tintina obeja ba man nyame asam sen say awade wo se me ene nyame asam beda ba bia man so ma yede mpe me se beja ba wo benya manfo support no say onko so nya dan enyaalo la ka me ka kire mo say wiase se wo so abini empokoko hwiegu a wo benya aboafo ana me boa wo so toilet se da bia wo toilet na so ma me one is say what money 24 be fa ko hwiegu ma me wo benya man ko tam so eye abra ye ade bra wo benya aboafo chao wo kunkum Israel fo mo to cha wo mo no wa nya nkofo support no de ne nyame de ye wo ne nkofo nyina wo funum wo so nkofo bone so a obi di bone enim kan ba wo sene ne kon be se be sakra e jamana ne be bo be se be ko so gaware ene de open wo ye ene ha aso sene ne kon bo so na ne som e bia ntimi nya be na wo so di na ti ha na ko so som o ye de abusu am de abusu ba so som Wow, sono, and they all support 2 million, who could show be more, a year at 10 wood Gemina. The Rademo when you free woman said. How do people when you know you are pet? Father, that one boja or Trana Conyaso, no matter how San Bruno. Ah, Papa, or Casatisenia maybe, or Casatisenia maybe, the Herod, a better hunter. Finding a neighbor forces are. Who deep bonny when you are a Casatra won't. The pastor also. Until a year there. Striking pack a full brim. Bible says instantly. A honor or done a body. Or done a more. Or prostrate. And him can power sin in the corn. Will be boom for Fremua. I know near you. Can confirm me trace you on what it's away. Or would you have a hospital obey answer? A drove yellow. Geneva. The book at Nenda cried as Semenka. Babylon. Daniel chapter 4, verse 28 down. Babylon was a man who had a teacher Babylon. A hand with Jack, I him to belong. You are the clear big papa. Jack on 5 million. Mena, Mena, Cassie, Mena. Father and Coco was a Daniel Coco. Father Daniel Coco. And the book at Nenda Nasa so die. Or so they need to tell you the Akasi. The another dying. And no matter the my so, the great training you say, Daniel trade in Webber and when he said Diablo. The book at Neza Clasoka said, the other one who's a track precope a guave form. Daniel said, and I wa he near Case, the Gusua Air Caseco, the Nipabena was on Faso, no hunter into Obecow. The book at Neza was a warning. There was tear. Was an Babylon, they catch Siena, I take Babylon, no money. Now go process our anyway. Remember that Daniel day. Let's send the young so back, can it see them? The Bible in the book of Neda Tia Conyaso Sao. Fena Memorial attack it, a foot is a bois body. Fena and Takra, ne a maybe a banner. I said, over to it, no. Now, you can't Babylonia kingdom, Babylon. And you know Obama, he need. Babylon. The book that names a Daniel Boa was so for Yana Swap, Wula and Sensawi, was say years. Now, Kupom and Sloop, Mani Vula. One Kuno, what Chenny answer Keke. Say a Himiano, Babika Crabin and Mediamao. Nana, I think it's rubbish on Mediamao. Diana was on 7. The book at Nezamfa, Yankupon and Daniel Boa, until so, and the Abrabosom Sonny. A fair tree. I never was yes, I said the Moses said to me, be a say to me, but who's also seen and couple, where I can see no one was a summoner. What I say, and him canny power in the corner, who push you home to Fremua, and no near you. Make a kind dear, now make a Sodom and Gomorrah dear, now make an near to the Fury dear. A brevetiam. I didn't pass no Mukungun son. I didn't pass no Mukungu, and yet you are so fond of cough on it, come in the make people have. I use them and you say, you could yet so good. When your cousin may have born and me deep on it, who be. Don't behave like a devil and Satan. So we see one air so been to me correct. Until we are said, you who will answer. Hebrews follow manager said. And that's our tin in there, and then imprime Wakoma, Hebrews chapter 3. Imprime Wakoma. Bracomanase. Bonibia wood in Yankupon and Casacho. Come down. Never ready says, Rake. Saboni when we mobile me. Ready to whom mobile bonny at all. Now, as you say, was seen Wakoma said, many I can't, many I can't. Me hear no. Memman what no, but Chenason, who will be woo. What does it? Yamiasama told him several times. Who's a bonny obediana obedi? Would the Kosudi? The enemy can be pa or sin in the corner. Will be booming for Fremua. I know you. To trust the umpire. Obanyan Safoya Bunbeki and Canasa. Mamfasi, Wabakuma, who's sorry. The Yanko also the woman Rama home. Wakuma dinti, Matthew chapter 19, verse 3, echo. Tintin also in Ubejan. Moses koko ja na mana wari ja ngoma. Go and divorce her. Na nya mi Yankopon na mhyehyɛ ma wo. But wakoma dinki. Ani ahyehyɛ wo mmra ma wo. Ti wakoma kwan so na wonam. Wakoma dinki. Amanya me de wo mmra ma wo. Ti wo dwene sɛ de wo ye ne ye. Ijemu na wo kɔ. Kamiabo, de wiase ko. Abrancha na ba ada na oda so temoni. Nsem kwa be ba ya ka. Yesu no be wu ama wo. Sere se wo fa ko ne nchawo. Dan firi ho. Bokunkun ya bra bo na wu ade be fa na ho tefu akọ. Here, wo de o se ko hwie na ba tirem. Wi ensa. Trabo adwaman. Wo de da rapture be sie nipa be ye mobo se. Wo de transfer dem na sere. Transfer dem na fa ni meti akọ. So dem ngomora. Lord when you break tie mu no. Na manfo de aye feudi. Obo de aye sede. The Janus start here no. Obo de hungom mistake o mai. Anyansafo bi beda ne Jimmy for that in the last day. The nadia you will be happen oye. Enim kanipa o sene ne kon no. Empofrem obebu no. Empofrem kokobo bi amabiem empofrem ni timpa no kakanye no ne na anye ne ya prekupe pakim no ne ko prekupe empofrem ya ano eni adu no remedy no cure was suffer stroke obu bi gudem asofo akom so akobọ mpa ya abo omo da so da stroke mu enko atiase ebia pra go hospitals ya continue 21 days ensa omo yade enim kanipa osene ne kon wo ba punyame asem wo ma punyame to mu suban no saa ndi sankofo no Satan nkofo no na koma emprimpe nyame akira kwae nti bonsam dwa ana wasete ama omo se omo konkutu duade hu mo bono ma onyansa o se sankofo no twon firi wo mo emfa ho mo no yo bonsam ma wo yo Yankopon ma ti wo a wo Abraham ba wo ka Yankopon nkofo no enhia obi nsamfo a wodi wo de obi a funda ka obi abaje ne de woni kangu so wu achi ti ne yesu nyame ya ni abre anya ha nimstrese duade be ma onyansa wakoma bafom wo jai bo ne tiri bia be fa Yesu ensire wakoma so de me pa na ye iwi asenya papa dia wura ne begina de da e wo Yesu Kristo din mu ana abo mpae e wo ade ba se enne ano pa wi wo Yesu din mu me sew de wo man no dom sew nsem obi a o tie me na dai sa bre me sew la bre on ko so nsire na koma na so esire na koma no awi dina somafo nyumatim kron awu dina boro hwe ho opia pin na koma pia de wade de pompae no wasina dire sa wande boni na obedie no ya sama na kra so nsa se pa o pere fa de fa eye se wade wa twena so ama na sakras ne se obo ka ko to wonsam e wo empofremu yarem empofremu asan empofremu amanihum empofremu siom na fe ye sane yade a enye yi anu ne aduro ne be pie na koto bonsam gem daache e kan bi abo ba be faso a adin sakra be ba na wo ma ene wo be hia mpuni bu ya wo muja no wo hwie go ma nipa bebre bo ne fafiri no wo ma so be ka bebre no ho ne ye bo ne fafiri no ruade fa wo ma faso ne ya nye se mmirechi a so den ne mo yemfa enwai tebianum ne ntimi nwura wani onyam ho bi e bon pa de wasese wutie me e wo Jesus Christ to demon ti yeso amen